Hey, good morning and good afternoon to all of you wherever you're watching from all over the world. I welcome all of you once again in our YouTube channel, and we hope that you all are doing and having best of the best of your lives. So as you guys know that our channel is actually increasing your digital media life opportunities, and we are improving your social life as well, and we are also working on like learning processes also. And when it comes to the if you have a degree and you are in search of a job, so this video will help you a lot. Here we are going to discuss an app that is basically Indeed Job, and we will see its feature, and then we will dig it into the app directly, and I will show you how you can like search a particular job, and what job is like suitable or not, and what kind of information they give you, and what about salary packages also, and what are the like the very good features of these apps. Before going into today's video, if you are new to our channel or if you haven't subscribed it, so please subscribe the channel, click on the bell icon so that next time you will never ever gonna miss any of the update. So let's start the like the understanding of this app from Play Store. Here you can see that you can discover jobs that match your needs, like what kind of degree you have, what kind of jobs you want. So you can check it here. Like you can apply for job from anywhere anytime from your phone, like you don't have need any mentor to apply for it, and you just have to have your CV. You can also even create your CV from here if you don't have, and if you have then you can directly attach it over here, and you can like build a resume with step by step guidance, so that you will have a like a very up to date CV. Then you have like message employers about jobs and interviews. Okay, like you can connect with them directly, and you can also like track your saved jobs and applications, like in how many jobs you have applied and how many have like responded you or not. You can track your progress also, and you can also like get jobs updates, and like great places to work with. And this is like the features, and let's dig it into the app. Here I'm going to Okay, so I have actually signed up here like earlier. I just like attached my email over here. So here you can see that the first search button is like job title, keyword, or a company, like a specified company, a specified job title you want to go in, you can type over here. And if you want like in your current city or in your particular city you want, then you can also search with the location. And here you can see that we have a job feed in which a lot of jobs with their salary packages, with their full time or part time specifies thing, and whether you can apply for on your phone or not, and whether they are hiring multiple of candidates or only two or one. So you can check all of them over here. Let's suppose here we have like this job, nutrition consultant. So the full job description we are having over here, like the complete information for every child protection, this and that. You can check all these information, you can read, and if you think that you are capable of it, or they are like this is suitable for you, then you can directly apply now. You can save this app for further use, and you can share this job to any of like required candidates who want to have the job. So you can share it with your friend also. Similarly, you can like fixed term chief health P5 and this and that. You can also have like English teacher. When it comes to English, just go it. So their salary package is appeared, their job type is also like here, and full job description is also available. And you can check the hiring insights also, like how many response they have, and how many person they are hiring actually. And you can also check the job activity, and you can choose your zip code also to improve your jobs need. So this is how you can search for a certain required job for you If you like this video, if you like this app, and if you are in search of any job, then download it from Google Play Store. And only you have to connect your email account with it and just find your required job. If you like this video, give a huge thumbs up to this video, and till the next video uploaded, stay connected, stay together. Thank you so much for watching.